Minister of India, President Draupadi Murmu, Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar, Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Home Minister Amit Shah, Health Minister Mansukh Mandaviya, Defence Minister Rajnath Singh, Agriculture Minister Narendra Singh Thakur, Foreign Minister Subramanyam Jaishwal, Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman, Science Minister Dr. Jitendra Singh, Industry Minister Piyush Goyal, Tourist Minister G. Kishan Reddy, Electricity Minister Rajkumar Singh, Railway Minister Ashwini Vaishnav, Sports Minister Anurag Thakur, Law and Justice Minister Kiran Rijju, Transport Minister Nitin Jairam, Women and Child Minister Smriti Irani, Minister of Cell Ramachandra Prasad, Minister Environment Bhupendra Yadav, Minister of Jal Shakti Gajendra Singh,